Hello and welcome to the Tokenovate Demo Series. In this demo series, we're introducing key features and functionality of our post-trade lifecycle event management platform for OTC derivatives. In this video, we'll show you how to use the transaction ID to look up the inputs and outputs in a publicly available block explorer tool, show the unique UTXOs created for the token, and explain their use. In this case, we'll use what's on chain. We have the transaction ID, or TXID, of the token creation from the platform, and then we paste it into the block explorer here to look up the inputs and outputs. UTXO, or unspent transaction outputs, protocol blockchains, work with a series of transaction inputs to create a series of transaction outputs. It's this transaction path that offers the clear benefits of precision traceability when using a UTXO protocol blockchain. Of course, it's possible to add privacy. However, while the public observer can see transaction activity, they have no way to understand it. In this demo, we've not added any privacy for demonstration purposes. Here, we can see that we have a set of outputs that relate to the token we've just created. A key point to highlight here is that we've actually created two different UTXOs for this particular token. The first UTXO is what we call the asset node, which is the UTXO from which all tokens of the same underlying bonds can now be created. The second UTXO represents the instrument node, and this UTXO represents the rights that we've enshrined in the token. It's this particular UTXO that would be transferred if the ownership of the token was assigned to another party on the platform. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch if you want to learn more about Tokenovate and our post-trade lifecycle event management platform.